what we got to give. I and I, vibration, yeah, positive. We got to have a good vibe. I am vibration, yeah, heights, whoa, whoa. Positive vibration, yeah, positive. If you get down and you quarrel every day, you're saying prayers to the devils, I say. Whoa, why not tell one another on the way? Make it much easier, just a little bit easier. Say you just can't live that negative way, if you know what I mean.